Hey guys, you'll be glad to know we're doing geometry today. Okay, alrighty. This is area of a circle. You want to make sure that you memorize this formula, and I'll tell you a little bit about it once we get into it. And this is how we start off, where it says, okay, and remember, area is 2 dimensions, right? A length, like if we were to measure the outside of the circle, like the circumference of the circle, we would get we'd go take a little string and I got 18 inches or whatever. That's 1 dimension. It's from here to here. We're talking about area right here. They say how many units. What's the area? When we ask for area, we're talking about 2 dimensions. This by this, right? If it was a rectangle, 10 by 8, that's 80 square, feet or whatever it is. Same thing here. We're going to have square as an answer for the area of a circle. There's a different formula, that's all there is to it, but it's still going to be a little 2. Okay, how many units is the radius of this circle? Well, that's easy enough to find. From there to there, right? That's 1, 2, 3. The radius is 3. What's the approximate area? Well, this is where you'd have to sit there and start counting. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is it, like almost 17, almost 18. Let's just call this 18 total. You know what I'm saying? There's no, we can stop there. But just that's an estimation. Okay, there is a formula that makes sure that you have memorized this. Okay, the area of a circle. If you haven't written this down, write it down. It's pi times the radius squared. Pi times the radius squared. So anytime that it's thousands of years ago, this was ascertained by geniuses, much smarter than I am. I can't even get a box of Cocoa Puffs open without ripping the cardboard to shreds half the time. So anyway, the area of any circle, all you need to do is take the length of the radius, okay? Then you square it, not double it. I'm talking about squaring it. So in this case, the radius is 3, right? So the square of 3 is 3 times 3, which is 9, okay? Pi is a number you've probably seen before, heard of, we've talked about it a little bit, is approximately 3.14. And that's the number we're going to use for this year. Just put 3.14. In the future, when you take higher math, you can use a calculator and get it a little more accurately. But right now, for our purposes, 3.14, good enough. Okay. 3.14, don't forget, this pi represents, remember, if this is a radius right here, what is this all the way across the circle? What's that called? Not the radius, but it rhymes with pleischlameter. Yes, that's right, diameter. Okay. What you could do is you could take this diameter, let's pretend this was a string. All right, and you nail it right there, and you string it around here. Boop! Oh, it stops right there. Okay, then you take this part, unnail it, nail this part down. You go whoop, there. Oh, there it is again. Okay, then nail it. Oh, it goes around 3. Oh, look at there. It goes 3. Oh, wait, there's a little left over from here to here. That's the 0.14. Okay, so the pi number 3.14. That's the number of times that a diameter goes around the circle that it's a part of. That's it. Okay, so you need to memorize this formula. Memorize it. Okay, the area of a circle, in other words, the number of little squares inside a circle, is you take the radius and you square it. Then you multiply it by 3.14. In other words, the number of times a diameter goes around its circle it's part of. There we go. That's it. Okay, that never changes. You're going to use this in pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, trigonometry, probably, volleyball, literature, all kinds of things like that you wouldn't think. Okay, goat maintenance, everything. Okay, all right. The radius of a circle is 3. What's the area of a circle? What I would do if I were you for the next 3 months until you get it down. Anytime you see this phrase right here, area of a circle, I would just go area of a circle. Area equals pi times the radius squared. And I'd go, okay, the area equals 3.14 times the radius squared or whatever. Okay. Well, if the radius is 3, the square of that is 9. So it's going to be 3.14 times 9. And there you go. Go over here to the side and do the arithmetic. You'll find that it's 28.56. Okay. Wait a second. 28.26, my bad. Okay. All right, let's try another one. Oh, we're already there? Practice problems? Well, that was simple. Okay. Give the practice problems a whirl. There are 5 of them. Pause it and try them and come back. Okay, I don't know. If you wanted to count or whatever, the area of the circle by counting squares, woof, good luck. It's around 50-ish. Okay. B, 3.14 you're using for pi. The radius is 4. Well, don't forget, the area is equal to pi. That's 3.14. Now the radius squared, if the radius is 4, that means square of 4 is 16. So 16 times 3.14 is 50.24, excuse me. And make sure you're putting square centimeters, okay? Where it's not just centimeters. If you put 50.24 centimeters, that means a length. No, this is 2-dimensional. What's inside that circle? It's an area, like the area of a rug or something inside of your house. Okay. Pause it and give C a try. Radius is 2. It's going to be 3.14 times 4, which is 12.56. Okay. D, the diameter is 2 feet. They fooled you, right? You probably thought it was radius. Okay. If the diameter is 2 feet, that means the radius is 1, right? So 1 times 3.1, in other words, 1 squared is 1. Times 3.14 is just 3.14. Okay. E, the diameter is 10, which means the radius is 5. Okay. 5 squared is, don't say 10, it's 25. Okay, 25 times 3.14, 78.5. Good enough. There we go. Okay. All right. Have fun today. See you guys next time. Take care.